Hey guys, I'm just sitting here chilling with my birds and they're actually getting along, so just wanted to show you guys that. Yeah, awesome. So Rocky was just out and he decided to come over here and talk to Rowan. And of course Rowan was very excited because Rowan loves Rocky a whole lot more than Rocky loves Rowan. But today I guess Rocky's feeling nice, and so yeah, that's it. And he decided to come say hi to Rowan, and of course Rowan was so happy. Hi, Rocky. Rocky's just doing everything today. He was climbing, he was going everywhere. And Rowan will not be quiet. He is too happy. But yeah, even though Rocky's not hand tame, he is a very nice bird. So he does go in his cage by himself. He comes out by himself. But I'm still going to work on hand taming him. However, I want to do Rowan first. That's why I've been training Rowan, and I haven't really trained Rocky. However, Rocky does get out a lot, so yeah. They're looking at each other from a distance. So, thanks for watching, guys. Just wanted to show you guys that. Have a great day and comment, rate, and subscribe.